Hello everyone, I'm back again after a short gap of time to my channel Emotions Unplugged with the same tagline, It's time to speak with Dr. Subhashri. Recently I spoke about non-reaction is the best action, how to realize what is the ultimate realization of life. So somewhere around, viewers, I'm trying to make you all realize that how emotional turbulence sets its foot in everyone's life. So from a chaos to a calm navigation of emotional turbulence can be met with some sort of interior reflection. So today I thought of speaking to you regarding this, from chaos to a calm emotional turbulence. We are so much surrounded with the external clutters of our life that it seems essential to harmonize with the internal echoes of the soul. That might transform the chaotic environment into, you can say, moments of stillness. So, there are emotional clarity, silent prayer, and a restlessness in the spirit. These all can be driven to a peaceful center. Suppose, take for example, this is, I think, हर किसी के फैमिली में कॉमन सीन है. हमारा घर, our home, is currently a mirror of our internal chaos. But it doesn't have to stay with that way. So, when our living space feels cluttered enough and your mind feels like getting trapped with a cycle of emotional turbulence, so we have to search for that light which can transform our environment into a silent prayer. So, the physical things surrounding us also acts as a conductor for our mental anxiety, our cognitive load or a pressure on our mind. So, there are few things very much visibly available in specific corner of our home that mirrors actually the most persistent internal stressor. हमारे घर के अंदर बहुत कुछ चीज़ है जो इंटरनली बिल्टअप करता है हमारे स्ट्रेस लेवल को. So here my call is, my viewers, you can also question your own self, that what are those things at your home, in your living space, which are hunting you slowly or silently, giving you stress internally. आप इसको मेरे कमेंट में डाल सकते हैं, कुछ सोचिए इसके बारे में. So our perspective is to shift from this chaos to the emotional balance. बिकॉज राइट नाउ वी आर नॉट इन अ स्टेज, बिकॉज जब मैं लास्ट एपिसोड में भी बोल रही हूँ, हमको अभी रिएक्शन नहीं देना है, उसको नॉन रिएक्टिव करके हाउ वी नीड टू go and reach at a point of identifying that problems which built up our stress level. So these living reminders of growth, yeah, natural stillness, we have to show the transition. हमको transition दिखाना है. कैसे? From a harsh thing to a diffused natural thing which will reset our internal rhythm. धीरे धीरे करके हमको वो इंटरनली एक रिदम बिल्टअप करना है जो ऑटोमेटिकली आपके केओस को बैलेंस करते करते एक काम स्टिलनेस में लेके जाएगा आपको. So for this, what sort of tone, the visual, quiet introspection is essential. That also we have to look into. So हमको emotional transition को map करना होगा. We have to map the movement of the emotional transitions. Because of that only we can maintain the eternal stillness. Because our main motto, my purpose of sharing this topic with you, my viewers, is that we have to prevent the return of that chaos or that chaotic energy into our life. हमको वापस उसको बुलाना नहीं है, उस chaos को. उसको कैसे कामनेस में, स्टिलनेस में उसको ट्रांसफॉर्म करना है. सो हियर कम्स विजुअलाइजिंग अ डायनामिक रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द सोल दैट रिक्वायर्स कंसिस्टेंट एंड जेंटल ट्यूनिंग. सो माय व्यूअर्स, वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड thoroughly that an intentional environment is actually a prerequisite for a peaceful spirit. अगर हमको peace चाहिए तो खुद को पहले समझना चाहिए, खुद के अंदर के chaos को समझना है. From what are the reasons, what are the causes? Maybe आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं तो normal life, मेरा regular life जी रही हूँ, maybe in my home or in your workplace, but some or other things are there very chaotic in your own living space and your workplace, which slowly becomes the silent killer that increases your stress level, develop a chaotic environment. तो उसको सबको छोड़ के हमको उससे उभर के निकलना है. So hopefully I would be reaching you in my next episode, talking much more elaborately about how to develop this chaos, means avoid this chaos and to develop into a calm emotional turbulence and establish a peaceful spirit, how to heal the hidden chaos, how to transform our mind through our environment, what are the creative reflection in the stressful times, and how we can use our own space to heal the internal turbulence. So finally turning the emotional chaos into inner calm. So I have come to a point where I can just give my suggestions to you. You can put your comments on the topic But don't again forget to give your like, your subscription, your comments on this topic to my channel Emotions Unplugged. But always, I would suggest stay happy, be positive, stay calm. Very rightly, very soon we'll be meeting in my next episode. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Take care.